Dear self, someone can hold your hand through this struggle, but you have to let them. It is normal to become overprotective after we experience a heartache. We develop trust issues with people because the last time we gave them our trust, our love only resulted to pain and disappointment. But there may be instances that we need a companion to get us through a struggle, someone to consult, someone to talk to. And as terrifying as it may sound, we may have to open our guard a little bit, give someone their chance, and let again try to find out if true love does exist. If you're looking for an inspirational video, this is it. Save and share this video to a friend, else get the Dear Self book.